What's up YouTube? This is Freaks Virtual. I'm about to show you guys a new light that I got. Alright. This is the Manker MC13, but mine's custom. I got mine from SkyLumen.com. I'll leave links in the description like up there. And his name's Vin. And what he does, he puts a little twist on company's lights and makes them better. Alright. So let's just see what we get. That's the Manker and Manker slogan. So more than a tool. Alright, here's the light. You get this from SkyLumen. This is disclaimers and policy. You won't sell any products to minors. So there's a bunch of stuff in here that you gotta read. The warranty card, his contact information, user guide, but we won't need that. I'll show you how to use it. Alright, and if you want, it does come with a lanyard. I already open it because it comes with this extra O-ring, and it comes with a Type-C charging cable. So I'm going to show you that in a minute. And it does come with a 18350 battery, lithium-ion battery. Alright, and if you want the extension battery tube, 18650 battery tube, you gotta pay a little extra. But if you don't, it just comes just like this. Alright, so let's put this aside. I'm gonna read the specs. So it does bring, or supports OSRAM W2.1 LED, I think. Yeah, that's what it says. It says just W2.1, so I think it's an OSRAM. It's 5400 Kelvin tint, so it's more of a neutral tint. I love this tint. And it says boost at 2 seconds, so he did something where he boosted it and made it better. I think. I don't know. Could be the driver or the LED. And 1060 lumens, 152,000 candela. That's the beam intensity. And 780 meters of throw. That's the beam distance. And of course, it's IPX8 rating, and it's impact resistance to, I think it's 1 meter or 1.5 meter. I think it's 1 meter. But anyways, alright, here's the light. Oh, and just so you guys know, these little indentions, you put a tritium vial in here. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that in another video. How to install it. It glows. It's a little vial like this big, mad skinny. You stick it in. You need special glue and all that, but another video I'll show you. Alright, there's your optic lens, special optic lens. Looks like there's a reflector. I'm not sure if this is AR code. Might be. I think it is AR coding. Well, that's what that looks like. Let me show you the battery real quick, and then I'll show you the user interface. There's the springs, the battery, it's 1100 milliamp hours, and then the taro switch. Can't really see, hold on. Or the battery tube. It's a bigger spring than this. I think it's gold plated, but whatever. So let me show you the user interface. And I do like this clip better than, not this, than this clip. See how this one's screwed on? Yeah. I'm going to show you size comparisons with another light anyway, so I'll show you that in a minute. User interface. Alright. Click for on, click for off. Hold the button, cycle through your modes. Alright, click for off. Hold the button again while it's off. And then you're in your moonlights. And each thing is memory. You can't even see it. Each moonlights and regular modes are all mode memory. Alright. Alright. That's all you do. Hold it. If you want, alright, just say that. Turn it off. Hold the button. And you're back in that mode. Same thing right here. You want that mode. Mode memory. So that's cool. Strobe warning. 3 times. Click it 3 times. And then you hold the button. You cycle through your special modes. Hold it again. Fast SOS. Hold it again, strobe. Hold it again, fast beacon. See, Vin from SkyLumen.com, he usually puts a different driver in the lights. But this one, the user interface is so good, he just kept it like that. So, that's a plus. But, it's that simple. Now I'm going to show you size comparison. Here's my Leatherman Wave. Alright. Here's an 18650 battery. That's how small this is. Here's the battery tube. Here's an MSR. And guess what? The MSR is like a ½ inch taller. Man, it's just crazy that this has 780 meters of throw for this size light. But anyways, that's my review, tabletop review. I'll be right back. I'll be back with the beam shots. Be right back. Guys, I just noticed something right when I turned off the camera. This one has some sharp edges right here. Oop, let it focus. Like right around here, but other than that, the light's great. Yeah, here too. Let me see if it's on this one. No, this one's good. It's just this tube. The sharp edges right here. The rest is good. And here and there, sharp edges. That's it. I just had to put that out there. But the little guy, there's no sharp edges. Everything's good. Alright guys, be right back. Guys, I forgot to show you an important part. I forgot to show you what it looks like when the charger is plugged into the battery. This is Type C. And here we go. This is what it looks like. So when it's plugged in, it's red, and when it's done charging, it's green. Simple as that. So here we go with the beam shots. Be right back. Alright guys, I'm out here with the Manker MC13vn. About to do some beam shots, so bear with me. Right now I'm in moonlight. Can't see it, so this is like way too low to see. Like on camera it looks way brighter than what it is. Let me put on the brightest moonlight. That's the brightest. And you can't see nothing. So we're just gonna start with the higher mode. This is the low. Hold on guys. Alright, we're just gonna go to the highest mode. Or we'll go up one more. Oh, that's a skunk. I'm on turbo. We're just gonna leave it at turbo. He just lifted up his tail, so I don't know if he squirted or sprayed. Huh. But yeah, I gotta look around me because I don't need one sneaking up on me. Not sure if that skunk was on camera. Alright, I'm gonna stand it up so you can see a different view. And then we're gonna take it. And then we're gonna take it somewhere to see how far it can go. But I'm just showing you a different view than just point and shoot. About to go see another area. We're gonna take a little walk, so just bear with me. And I don't think it drops. I'm not sure if it... That's where the skunk was, so I gotta be careful. It is getting a little warm. No, it's not. Well, it's just getting warm. I don't want to get sprayed. Alright, I'm gonna bring it down just a little bit. I just heard something. I don't know what the hell that was. I just brought it down. I just heard a voice over there. Yes, I have my dual mic, so I'm not sure if the camera picked that up, but maybe there's people over there. Well, you see how far it goes? And someone asked in one of my posts if this light had spill. It doesn't really have spill, but it just gives off a light. Like you could see a little bit of light. Alright, now I'm going to stand this up. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I gotta fix my tripod real quick. You. Sorry about that, guys. So let me try standing it up again. Let me stand it up over here. Alright, I'm gonna take another walk. Alright, guys. I don't know how it looked on camera, but now it's getting pretty hot. but I'm not sure if it's gonna step down or not. Let's just see what it looks like. Yeah, it's getting really hot. Surprisingly, I think it's the optics. But 1,000 lumens, it shouldn't get this hot. So maybe Vin from SkyLumen.com, maybe he did it this way so it don't drop so quick. If it does drop, I don't think so. Like, it's not too hot, it's really warm. Alright guys. Well, I hope you like my beam shot footage. Stay tuned, cause I'll have more videos up soon. Like, it's hitting those houses way out there. It's pretty good for a tiny light. Alright guys. Thanks again. Peace.